start this. Sir,
Which is the class? Hello.
yes, sir, now it's okay.
Pardon?
Yes, sir, now your voice is audible, sir.
Good morning, one and all. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll continue the class. Just a minute. We'll continue the class now. Okay, 0, 4/3 plus 1, 0, 1, 0 are the points such that the distance from the point P to the line BC, these are the points such that the distance from point P, from central point P to line BC is equal to geometrical mean. Geometrical mean for the distance from P to AB and AC. P to AB and AC. Then the point P lies on a curve. Point P is lying on a curve. Find the equation of that point P or the locus of point P. Now, first of all, what they're telling is that point, there are three points A, BC. Let us say from that point to there's one more point P. What they're telling is from this line to this point is equal to line to this point and this line to this point. That is, if I take distance as if I take distance of D1, D2, and D3, that is that D1 is equal to geometric mean of geometric mean is G is equal to the root of AB, correct? No? Geometrical mean. So for D1 is equal to root of D2, D3. It's a given condition. In this condition, we have to find the locus of point P. First, we find the slope of AB. Slope of AB is equal to 0 minus 4 by 3 by minus 1 minus 0. This is minus 4 by 3 minus 1 is equal to plus 4 by 3. From here, I'll take the equation of AB. The slope is equal to 4 by 3, passing to the point minus 1 comma 0. Therefore, y minus 0 is equal to 4 by 3 into x plus 1. I simplify this one. 4x minus 3y plus, no, plus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation AB. So we have similarly for the slope of BC of B2, that is equal to 1 2 minus 5 1. 0 minus 0 divided by 1 minus of minus 1. So 0 by 2 that is equal to 0. Question of the solution y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 equal to y minus 0 equal to 0 into no, 0 to anything is 0. So y is equal to 0 is the equation of line BC. The slope of BC. Here y2 minus y1 0 minus 4 by 3 all divided by 1 minus 0 equal to minus 4 by 3 by 1 is equal to minus 4 by 3 and equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y1 value is 0 minus 4 by 3 into x minus 1. That is equal to x 3y minus 1 is equal to minus 4 is equal to 0. So I found the three equations, the slope of three lines. Now they are telling that if I take a general point px comma y, px1 comma y1 is the general point. Now they are telling that a distance from P to BC is equal to geometric mean or the distance of P to AB and AC. I'll take this one as a part of that. D1 that is equal to D1 dy1 plus C divided by root of a square plus b square is equal to equation of this is equal to y is equal to 0. So this one is 0 plus uh, b value is 1. 1 into y1 is y1. 1 into y1 is y1 plus 0 divided by 0 plus 1 square. Therefore, d1 is equal to y1 by 1, that is equal to plus d1 is equal to y1. So here you have to find for d2 and d3. d2 is equal to of AB, that is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. You know the equation of AB is equal to 4x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, and point is x1 comma y1. Therefore, b2 becomes 4x1 minus 3y1 plus 4 whole divided by root of 16 plus 9, that is equal to mod of 4x1 minus 3y1 plus 4 divided by 5. Now, similarly for d3 notebook is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. Mod is given. Therefore, equation is 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, d3 is equal to 4x1 plus 3y1 minus 4 divided by root of 16 plus minus 25. Root 25 is equal to 5. So what they given? They given that d1 is geometrical mean into d2. d1 is equal to root of d2 d3. So therefore d1 square is equal to d2 into d3. d1 square value is y1 square is equal to mod of 4x1 plus 3y1 minus 4 by 5 into 4x1 minus 3y1 plus 4 by 5, which is equal to y1 is equal, y1 square is equal to a plus or minus 4x1 plus 3y1 minus 4. 4x1 plus 3y1 minus 4 by 5 into 4x1 minus 3y1 plus 4 by 5. So simplify the equation and remove the final equation. You'll get two equations, case 1 and case 2. I'll give you 2 to 3 minutes. 2 minutes I'll give you. Simplify the equation and tell me the answer. Here's the answer.
Sir, is it 4x1 square minus y 9y1 square minus 16 by 25 and minus 4x1
No,
square plus
just a minute, just a minute. Okay, you can text the answer in this one. Chat, or you can tell the answer now. You can tell me the answer now. Hello.
4x1 whole square minus y1 square minus 16 by 25 and minus 4x1 square plus 9y1 square plus 16 by 25. Is it correct, sir?
Once again, friend, would you repeat, please?
4x1 square minus y1 square minus 16 by 25 and minus 4x1 square.
No, wrong. We don't get any fraction. In both case 1 and case 2, we get whole numbers only. There won't be any fraction. Cross check. There won't be any fraction. Yeah, both the cases we get a whole number only. What about the others? Bhavana, Gayatri, Likita.
So,
Yes.
is it 4x1 square minus 34 y1 square minus 16, and second equation is minus 4x1 square. Uh,
No, wrong. Wait, just a minute. I myself will do that one. So this is the where you have stopped this. Correct? No. No, this is plus or minus is there. What I will do is listen carefully. To simplify, I multiply this one. So geometry is 25. I'll send this 25 y1 square this side. And with that one, I also send this plus or minus this side. It becomes plus or minus 25 here. So here I simplify 4x1 plus 3y1 minus 4 into, if you take carefully here, 4x1, I take minus common. If I take minus common means this will become as 3y1 minus 4. That is so a plus b into a minus b formula is a square 4x1 whole square minus 3y1 minus 4 whole square. That is equal to 16x1 square minus 9. Okay, I'll take this one bracket here. 9y1 square plus 16 minus 3 4s are 12 minus 2 is minus 24 y1. Now, if I take everything simplify, this will be equal to 16x1 square minus 91y square, sorry, 9y square minus 16 plus 24y1. That is equal to plus or minus 25 y1 square. Now, case 1 and case 2. Case 1 is I take plus 25 y1 square, 25 y1 square is equal to 16x1 square minus 9y1 square minus 16 plus 24y1. I take everything this side, this will become 16x1 square plus, sorry, minus 9y square minus 25 will be minus 34y1 square minus 16 plus 24y1 is equal to 0. If I take common, what I can take common is I can take 2 common. That is equal to 2x1 square minus 17y1 square plus 12y1 minus 8 is equal to 0. This is case 1 equation. Same thing I have to do for case 2 now. So now I have to do for case 2. So case 2 will be same thing. 25 y1 square with plus or minus, with minus, no, minus is equal to this side, what was that? 16x square minus 9y1 square plus 24y1 minus 16. So when I take this one this side, so it will be 16x square plus 25 minus 9 will be plus 16y1 square plus 24y1 minus 16 is equal to 0. If I take 8 as common means 2x1, this is x1, no? X1. 2x1 square plus 16y1 square, sorry, not 16y1 square, 2y1 square plus 3y1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So if I These are two equations of my locus. Whichever equation is in the option, you have to take. Okay. The equation will come to x and y. Instead of x1 and y1, the equation will come to x and y. So whichever the equation is correct, you tick that equation. So did you understand where you have gone wrong, Vignesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll take the next question. The line 3x plus 4y plus lambda is equal to 0 divides the distance between the lines. Divides the distance between the lines 3x plus 4y plus 5 and 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0 in the ratio 3:7. Find the value of lambda. This line is dividing this line and this line in the ratio 3:7. So we know that distance between the lines is divided. Means let us say this is one line and this is one line. The distance between them is divided with this line with the ratio 3:7. That's why this is one line. So 3:7 is divided in this way. So what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to uh, find the distance between two lines. And if you look carefully, these two lines 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. What kind of lines is this one? What kind of lines are that one?
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular na. Hey, go back, check. If I read in general form, the line is general form, it will be like this. Ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. What kind of line is this one? We have discussed this concept 3 times. Open up where you written the theory concepts and so on. Look. What type of line is this one? Hmm? What type of line?
Parallel, sir.
When my x and y coordinate are same, e was equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. These two lines are parallel. We know that parallel lines condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Since a by a is equal to b by b, 1:1 ratio. Condition for parallel lines. And perpendicular line condition is, first of all, what is perpendicular line is ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 means this will be bx minus ay plus some k or some lambda is equal to 0. And condition is a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 is equal to 0. Basic conditions. I'm telling several times that formula theory is very important, very important, very important. Yet again and again you are making the same mistakes. So now we know that 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 3. Now 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 4y minus 5 is equal to two parallel lines, and the distance between them is a line cutting this one. So first of all, I find the distance between first line and this one. I find the distance between two lines and it is cutting that one. So by distance of two parallel lines, what is the formula for distance of two parallel lines? The distance of two parallel lines. Why? What is the formula? C1 minus C2 divided by root of A square plus B square. So that will be exam. D is equal to, there another equation what you got is 3x plus 4y plus lambda is equal to 0. That means 5 minus lambda divided by root of 9 plus 16. So here 3 square plus 4 is equal to 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. That will be should be equal to 5 minus lambda is equal to 5. Now same thing for the other line. That will be lambda plus 5 divided by root 25. That is equal to lambda plus 5 is equal to 5. Now given that what that the line divides in the ratio 3:7, that means what they're telling is 5 minus lambda by 5 into 5 by 5 plus lambda. This ratio I am taken directly across multiplied is equal to 3/7. So this one get cancels. So left out is 5 minus lambda by 5 plus lambda is equal to 3/7. Cross multiply. 35 minus 7 lambda is equal to 15 plus 3 lambda. So this if it comes here, 20 is equal to 10 lambda. Therefore, lambda is equal to 2. Do you understand, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand? We go to the next problem. The next problem is just a minute. A straight line is perpendicular to the line. A straight line is perpendicular to the line 2x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Once again, I am repeating the question. A straight line is perpendicular to the line 2x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. This straight line is forming a triangle with coordinate axis. This straight line is forming a triangle with coordinate axis whose triangle's area is equal to 3 square units. 3 square units. That means a straight line is perpendicular. One straight line is perpendicular. Some straight line is perpendicular to this line. One straight line is perpendicular to this line, 2x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. And what it is doing is, they are telling that this straight line is cutting the coordinate axis. That means we are getting x. We are getting what is this called as x intercept and y intercept. And because of that, I'm getting a triangle. That triangle's area is equal to 3 square units. The triangle's area is equal to 3 square units. Then find the equation of that straight line. With all this given information, find the equation of the straight line. So the question is very simple. Once I will explain the question, very easiest question we can easily answer. So I am explaining this question. So one straight line is there. For this straight line is one more line perpendicular. The perpendicular line equation they are given 2x minus 3y plus 7. This perpendicular line equation they are given, and this perpendicular line is cutting the x and y axis. And because of that, one triangle is forming. The area of the triangle they are given. So we know that if ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a line, then the perpendicular of this line is given by, just now I explained it. Perpendicular line equation is given by, how do we give a perpendicular line equation if ax plus by plus c is equal to 0? Just now I explained, just few minutes back. How will give a perpendicular line equation if ax plus by plus c is equal to 0? Come on, dear students, respond. Just now I taught you. Hmm? Just now I taught you. Vignesh, what is the line equation?
So is it x1 plus b1 plus minus c equal to 0?
No, just now I thought you know. Bx minus ay plus some ki is equal to 0. Just now I thought you. For parallel lines is if ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 means it will become ax plus by plus c1 or c2 is equal to 0. Only constant will change. For perpendicular line, just now I taught you in the previous problem. Do you remember? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 means then for perpendicular it will become bx minus ay plus c or some constant k is equal to 0. Okay, what we thought some 3-4 times if you're forgetting. Just some 5 minutes before I thought. At least you did note it down. Please don't show your lethargy in this one. Morning class, you should be very active. Early morning, with a fresh mind, you're coming. If you are lethargic in the morning, means the entire day will become lethargic. Come on. Really, it's not good. Just few minutes before I explained the concept of parallel lines and perpendicular lines, and you have not taken note or you have not given keen attention to it means, okay, let it be. Please read the seriousness of the study. That is my humble request. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then the perpendicular equation will become bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Excuse me. Now, since this is my equation, then for the perpendicular equation will be 3x plus 2y plus some k is equal to 0. Correct? Now, we know that area of a triangle, especially
Tell me the area of a triangle formula when a line equation is what is called as making a triangle. The area of a triangle when line equation is making a triangle. We have learned some 4-5 formulas. Tell me the basic formula of a line equation making the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle when line equation is making a triangle. Of course, when it is made by the line x by a plus 5 by b is equal to 1. That tries will be half into mod of a into b. Since the equation is not in that form, we have got general equation form. What is the area of triangle? That one also has got 3-4 different formulas. Is equal to, if you don't know, c square by 2 into mod ab.
uh,
So what is my c square? That is k square. So this is equal to a. Area is there given as 3 square units. So 3 is equal to c square value is I don't know k square. So 3x plus 2y. So it will be root of 9 plus 4. Sorry, not 9 plus 4. Sorry. I'm going for again this one 2 into 3 into 2. That will be equal to k square is equal to 3 to the 6. Sorry. 3 to the 6 is 6 to the 12. 12 to the equal to 36. So k is equal to plus or minus 6. K is equal to plus or minus 6. Therefore, the equation will become 3x plus 2y plus or minus 6 is equal to 0, or else 3x plus 2y is equal to plus or minus 6. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? And see the simple question, how much of theory concept we used, perpendicular lines theory concept we used, then we used the area of triangle theory concept. Only I'm insisting on learning the formulas. Please take it very seriously. We go for next question. If O is the origin, if O is the origin and A comma B are points on the line, if A comma B are the points on the line, that is 3, the line equation is given by 3x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0. If O is origin and A comma B are the points on the line 3x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0, such that oh, A and B are 2 points of the line equation 3x minus 4y plus 2 for 25 is equal to 0, such that OA is equal to OB is equal to 13. OA is equal to OB is equal to 13. Then find the area of the triangle. So given this condition, I have to find the area of the triangle OAB. So let us draw this diagram for better understanding. So some line, this is my line equation. Let us say, what is the line equation they are given? 3x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0. there is one point origin 0, 0. And this line has got 2 points here. Let us take these 2 points as here, somewhere here as here, and somewhere here as a B. Now this is making a triangle, so this O, A, B. This triangle's area I have to find out. So a line is there, a point is there. Easily we can find the distance. Correct, no? Distance of a line from the point. So that now this they are also given one more value. That means OA is equal to OB. This value is 13 they are given. Now find me and tell me the value of this one, the perpendicular distance value. Let me take it as, let us say if I take it as M, this one. Tell me this value using the distance formula of the perpendicular distance formula. Distance of a line from the point, or distance of a point to the line. Use a D formula and tell me the value of OM. Students, use the formula and tell me the value of OM. You know the formula? From yesterday onwards, we are using this formula. Yesterday also we used for 3, 4 problems formula. If you know, you say yes, I know the formula. Sir. If you don't know the formula, say I don't know formula. You know the formula? Trying to respond, dear students, yes or no?
Eh, ju- ju-
Pardon? Huh? Those of you don't know, I am giving the formulas today. Tomorrow onwards, I will not give the formulas. That will be ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. And my point x1 comma y1 is origin. That is equal to 0 comma 0. And a and b value are in the line equation. So find me and tell me the value of d. What is the value of d? That is OM, perpendicular length value.
5, sir.
5, no? How come? X1, Y1 value is 0. A and B value we take from the equation. Compare with the standard form and take the equation A and B value.
see, but 5, sir.
Pardon? Vignesh, your voice is breaking, Vignesh. What is the value of D? D is equal to AX1 plus BY1 plus C divided by root of A square plus B square. That is equal to
C by 5, sir.
0 plus 0. C value is 25 by 5. So mod is there. That will become Okay, so here also again plus or minus is there. So plus or minus 25 by plus or minus 5. That will give me 5. So C value is 5. Now you got in the triangle you got the value of this one. Let us say now this is 13. This is 5. So what is this value? Well, if I OAM, tell me the value of AM. Value of AM by Pythagoras triplets. No, no, solving Pythagoras.
12, sir.
Well, very good. If a value of AB is equal to,
Well, sir.
then your value of AB will become as value of AB is equal to how much? Value of AB is equal to, if AM
13.
is equal to, value of AB is equal to how much? 24. Because it's a perpendicular. A perpendicular will bisect a line equally. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, we have to find the area of triangle that will be is equal to half into base into height. That is equal to half into base value is 24. Height value is equal to 5. Therefore, 12 into 5, 60 square units. Do you understand? Is it clear, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll stop it here for today. Huh? So again and again, my thing is I am telling it that you have to learn the formulas, theories, equations, corollaries, all those things. Huh? Or else very difficult to solve. See, today we spent most of the time in repeating the formulas and theories. For each question, we are going back and explaining this is what this one, this is what this one. Huh? And as we go ahead, problems will become much more bigger. Huh? What we are having bigger is not only that. As we become, the problems will become much more lengthier. Huh? And much more complicated. So only most of the students, those who are preparing for mains, skip this chapter. But I'm telling you, once you learn the concept, this is the most easiest chapter. Hmm. So please get ready with that formula things. I'll be informing you to submit that one to either to other teachers, and please do it without fail. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow at the same time. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes, students, again we will meet in the evening, that is from 6:30 to 8:30. And don't forget to say about NMMS and Navodaya coaching to your sisters and brothers, and also to the principals of your previous schools. Bye, everyone.